Mamboras! Hi guys, so my friend and I are going to see the waterfall that is just in our village. I told you guys earlier, I have shot that video actually earlier. It's on my channel, but haikupata views, imagine Kamiti. So, I have decided to go show you again the waterfall that is in our village. This is the way there. We're walking there with my friend. There he is. He has, say hi.
Hi guys.
Shout out yourself.
Big up, man.
Tell them you have a channel.
By the way, I also have a channel.
Jot
Committee. I have another one called Live and Learn. Yeah.
That's it. Go subscribe to his channel, guys. I'll put the link in my bio so that you go support him and tell him you are Team Fash. So yeah, that's where we are headed with my friend and I. I have on some Maasai sandals and my usual African dera. Kindly like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content like this. So the most amazing thing is that we have a waterfall in our village. You don't have to drive there. We don't have to take about the border there. We're walking there. How cool is that? This is so beautiful, you guys. Today I'm going to show you a lot of village view content, and this is like a forest. It looks like it was initially a forest, but it was invaded by, because now they plant tea. But look at this tree, you guys. It's beautiful. So yeah, let's go down. Let's keep going. I think I have the wrong shoes on, but it's fine. I wanted to have open shoes so that I can play with the water. That's why I did put on the open shoes. So yeah, let's go and see some waterfalls. Nivi siwezi. No. Hebu wana nataka niende zinichome kama hiyo. No. Our YouTube ain't lippy enough for that. I should only suffer if I'm getting well paid. Guys, we are almost there. We have seen the river. My friend is happy and excited. Thanks to me, he didn't know this place existed.
I didn't know about the
Yeah, he didn't know. What do you like the most about this village and this area and Tarakanidhi in short?
It's so cool, so natural.
There's so much nature, isn't there?
Trees,
Look.
great rivers.
Like the one we are going to see right now. I don't know the name of this river, but we are going to show you the river, how it looks like, and the waterfall. Let's go. Oh my days. Hapa ndaruka. Thank you.
Now where I'm coming.
That's where you come in. The waterfall is this way. That's just a bridge, but we can follow the bridge. Tuone mpaka huko mwisho, and then we go see the waterfall. I'm scared. Oh my God. Mimi naogopanga bridge. Guy, community is shaking. Oh.
Yeah, of course. Maana imeshikiliwa na nini?
Guy. Haijashikiliwa. Look at the bridge, guys. And that is the river. That's where we are going to see the river. And then this bridge connects this other village from this side. And then this other side, they have another village on the extreme end. Guys, the friend is not, I'm afraid. But the river is there. You guys, it looks so cool. Oh my days. Look at that. Look at that. Feel the sound of the water. Mimi, I could not have come here alone. Thank you to my friends. Thank you to my friend for accepting to come with me so that I can shoot for you this vlog. Because, I wasn't going to do it alone. I'm already scared. Hii inaingia hapo ndani. Oh, inaenda kwa nini? Pipes. Oh. Sio ile. Oh. Okay, niko nashangaa. Juu naona inaingia na shinda ni wapi inaenda. Oh. Eh. Sawa.
Wewe unaicontrol hii. So hii maji inasambazwa kila mahali.
Oh. This water is supplied to people's houses. That's why you can see the, the pipes, the piping everywhere. And this control system here, I think, is for supplying water to people's houses. And I had mentioned earlier, we don't really pay for water in this county. There's always water because it's river water, as you can see clearly. My God. The waterfall, finally. We are at the waterfall in my village. You guys, this water is so much. It's, oh my God, it's a very big waterfall, as you can see. A very, very big waterfall. I wanted to listen to the sound of the water. Very therapeutic, very nice. It goes all the way. It falls all the way up to down there. I don't wanna, I'm too scared for this, you guys. Too scared, but that is the where it falls. We are gonna go down there, but for now let me show you from up here. I have had to remove my shoes because of how scared I am to trip around here. But look guys, amazing. What I'm talking about. I'm too scared and I'm shaking. So, but we're going to do what we have. I'm going to take a picture.
Ninaangalia Fei. I'm looking. Kuja tuende Fei. Si unateremka na hiyo design. Kuja na hiyo design. Oh my God. Guys, nakati na jana inakuja kama hii ningekuja hapa kwa ani kutoka bila naumwa na siafu yeah.
Like that. I can squat for a little longer than you think. A house, they are farmers and they sometimes sell to us bananas when they are ready, if they're there. So we bought this banana a long time ago, so we don't pick the whole of it because we are not very many in our family. So to save that, we normally pick them just when you're about to make the meal. So we've come for them. We harvested all the way from down there up to here. So this is the last batch remaining. So they sell to you when it's still on the batch, as you can see, so that you can come at your own convenient time and pick it. So that's what we are here to do. We're still by the waterfall. There is the waterfall. My friend is still here.
Yeah, man.
We are we are wet. Our clothes are literally wet. Because when you go near the waterfall, it's like it's raining over there. So my clothes are wet. My camera is even wet. Whew. That's better. So I was saying, we are still seated by the river enjoying the breeze that is coming from that side of the waterfall. It's a very beautiful place. If you want to come, please do come and visit this place. I'll put my number on the video in case you want to know where this place is. I will show you where it is at a fee. At a cost. Huh?
Ulisikia wapi?
Mandhari ni ambient.
Ulisikia wapi? Mwalimu wa biology anajua mandhari.
So besties, thank you so much for watching this episode with This is Fash. I have been showing you the wonderful, amazing waterfall in my village, and I hope you like the video. If you do, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. My traditional basket to pick the bananas. So we don't really harvest all of them at once, because then how will we finish all of them? And we have the luxury of picking from the tree as we eat. You don't have to go buy from the market, you know. Luxury in the village. This is luxury in the village. I call this luxury, you know. You get very fresh food. Look at how thick it is. Oh my days, it's so nice. Look. Zimekuwa kubwa, si ndio? Last time hazikuwa hivi. Za kwanza. So this is the beauty of living in the village, my guys. You know, you can imagine you buy a whole banana, then you can come and get it at your own convenient time, so it doesn't go bad in your house, and you give it time to mature as you eat. So this is our everything that we have harvested. Let me show you from here. These are our bananas, guys. Oh, these are the bananas that we have harvested. We're gonna make some for lunch, and then we keep the rest for another day. So it has a lot of, what do you call it? Yes, ndizi ni nduma. Wacha. So because there's a little bit of this white stuff coming out, and you don't want to pour on your head, you place a leaf and then you put it on your head like that, and then we go home. As simple as that. Why is so amazing? What's that? Eh? Uangalie juu. Shikilia. You can't balance like mommy. I hope.
Yeah, you're so heavy.
You're doing it? You can take 2 more steps. Good girl. How is it going? Not scared? They have planted vegetables. These are kunde, traditional vegetables. There's maize over there. What is cassava, ma? This is a cassava plant, yes. It's where you live. Do you have mint like we do? There's so much of it here. This is mint. It's so nice. It smells good, especially for your herbal tea. This is lemongrass. Yo, it smells. So we use this to make tea. That is herbal tea. If you want, don't step on the maize, man. herbal tea. You know, it makes you feel good and refreshed. So these are some of the things in these village farms, and it'll be a privilege to live in one that's really farms them, you know. So yeah.